Okay, so I'm going to show you how to set this question up without words. Very important things to look at. 141. Okay, and if you notice that 141 is sitting in front of the word is, and also 188 is sitting behind the word of. What that is, if I'm looking for what percent, that means that I am looking for something over 100, x over 100. I don't know what it is. It's asking me what. If the number is in front of is, and in this case it is 141, that is the part, and if it is behind the word of, that is the whole. Okay, so then I would solve like we've been solving. 141 times 100 and divided by 188. And that will give you the percent. Another way that you could solve this is you can say, I'm just going to kind of put this in a different color. 141 divided by 188 is going to give you a decimal. Enter, get a decimal, and then you're going to times it by 100. That will also give you the same answer. Either way you choose to do it is fine. You just got to show it. Okay, for question 2, there's your 43, which is in front of the word is. And you have 86, which is behind the word of. That's going to go on the bottom. That always goes on the bottom. There's your part, there's your whole, and I'm looking for what percent. 43 times 100 divided by 86 would give you your answer. Another way to do this, 43 divided by 86 gives you a decimal times 100, and it will give you the very same thing to give you X, the percent. Okay, for number 3, I'm going to start this one out for you. And let you solve it. Okay, and then you're going to have 2 more additional questions after this.